It was a Saturday morning, and excitement was in the air. Mike and Jonas had just landed in one of the most iconic places in the world, New York City.
Wow, we finally made it! New York City! I can't believe it! We did it! The flight was long, but totally worth it. Definitely. What do you want to do first? Let's go see the Statue of Liberty. Yes! It's on my bucket list. How do we get there from the airport? I think we need a taxi or the subway. Let's ask at the information desk. Excuse me, how can we get to the Statue of Liberty?
Take the air train to the subway, then head to Battery Park.
Thank you.
Which subway line do we need?
Take the one train heading downtown.
Got it. I have the Metro card. They hopped on the subway and made their way to Battery Park. The exit from the station led them straight to a stunning view of the bay.
There's the ferry. Let's get our tickets.
Do you have cash?
Yeah, I'll pay for both of us.
Thanks, man.
No worries. You can get lunch later. Look, the Statue of Liberty.
It's amazing.
Let's take a selfie.
Oh no, my phone's at 1%.
Dude, mine too.
We've got one shot to get a good photo. And, as you can probably guess, that one photo didn't turn out so great.
What a terrible picture.
Better that than nothing.
I'm posting it on Instagram anyway.
Tag me too.
Next stop, pizza?
Yes, New York pizza.
Let's find a spot.
What a great first day for Mike and Jonas. Their adventure is full of useful, everyday English. Before we practice, let's quickly review 2 key phrases they used.
Yes, it's on my bucket list. It's on my dream list. Things I want to do in my life. Uptown, downtown. Uptown, the northern part of a city, usually more residential. Downtown, the city center where offices, attractions, and tall buildings are located.
Great. Now that you know these key phrases, it's time to make them yours. Comment Liberty to your fluency. Let's practice.
Wow, we're finally here. New York City. I can't believe it. We made it. The flight was long, but worth it. Totally. What do you want to do first? Let's go see the Statue of Liberty.
Yes, it's on my bucket list.
How do we get there from the airport?
I think we need a taxi or the subway.
Let's ask someone.
Excuse me, how can we get to the Statue of Liberty?
Take the air train to the subway, then go to Battery Park.
Let me check the map.
Which line do we need?
Take the 1 train downtown. I have the Metro card.
We're here. Look at the water.
There's the ferry.
Let's buy our tickets.
Do you have cash?
Yes, I'll pay for both of us.
Thanks, man.
No problem. You can buy lunch later. Look, the Statue of Liberty. This is amazing.
Let's take a selfie. This is going on my Instagram.
Tag me too. This is a good first day.
The best. Thanks for coming with me. Next stop, pizza?
Yes, New York pizza.
Let's go find a place. Excellent work. You've just completed a full English conversation practice. Every session like this builds your confidence and brings you one step closer to fluency. Your learning journey doesn't have to stop here. To help you improve even more, I've added 2 lists to the pinned comment. One for dialogue practice and another for a listening challenge. Don't forget to check them out. Before you go, tell us in the comments, what city is on your bucket list?